Hello friends, in today's video we are going to see the 01 knapsack printing solution. So what is this? See, in today's video we are going to write a program to print the objects which we have taken in our knapsack. And what we are going to print? We are going to print the weight of the object and profit associated with the object. Okay? So this is the bottom up table which we will be using here. Basically, you can use top down table also, but I am using bottom up for easy explanation. So first of all, what I am going to check is that, see, my answer came from this particular cell. So value of this particular cell may have come from this particular row. If we have not taken the object, then the value came from here. Otherwise, the value would have come from either of these three. So as you can see, this and this is equal. That is, tab of 2 3 is equal to tab of 3 3. That means I have not taken the third object. Okay. So if I have not taken the third object, then what I will do? I will go here, and from here I will try to see which object I have taken. So as you can see here, this is not equal to, that is, tab of 2 3 is not equal to tab of 1 3. That means I have taken the second object, and when I will take the second object, that means I will get a profit of 24 unit, and when I will get a profit of 24 unit, my capacity of knapsack will reduce by the weight of this particular object. And what is the weight? Weight will be equal to 3 minus 2. 3 is my knapsack capacity and 2 is the weight of second object. So basically I have taken this particular object and my reduced capacity of knapsack will become 1. So item to be considered 1 and knapsack capacity is 1. So basically I will go here and I will check here whether my value came from here or here. So as you can see, my value didn't came from here. What it means? I have taken the first object also. Okay. So what I will do here? I will print 18 and 1. That is, I have taken the first object, and here I have printed already 24, 2. That is, I have taken the second object also. So now let's see how this code is going to do this particular thing for us. That is, we are going to do a dry run for this particular code. So first of all, what we are going to do is, we will make a call to PS of 3, 3. So first of all, it will check object is equal to 0, capacity equal to 0. If it is not a case, then it is going to return. And in return, I can say something like this. Instead of return, we can print that's all. Okay? You can do anything. So after that, what is going to check? It is going to check whether tab of object capacity is equal to tab of object minus 1 capacity. What it means? I am checking whether these two values are equal or not. Okay? If I am at this particular cell, I will check a value in the cell above it is equal to it or not. If it is equal, that means I have not taken this object, otherwise I have taken this object. So as you can see, tab of 3 3 is equal to tab of 2 3. That means I have not taken this object. So I am going to I am going to call PS of, that is, I will ignore this object. So 2, capacity will remain same. So after that, what is going to happen? Again, this object check will be done, that is obj equal to 0 or not, or capacity equal to 0 or not. So obj is 3 and capacity is equal to 3. So after that, this particular thing will be checked. Tab of 2 3. What is tab of 2 3? Tab of 2 3 is equal to 42 and tab of 1 3 is equal to 18. That is, this is 42 and this is 18. So you can see here these two are not equal. So basically what I am going to do here is, we are going to print object's weight and its profit. So I have taken the second object and its weight is 2 kg and profit is profit from this particular object is 24 unit. So after that, what we are going to do? We are going to make a function called to PS of obj minus 1. Obj is 2, so it will be 1, and capacity minus object capacity. So 3 minus this object weight. So 3 minus 2, that is we are going to make a call to PS of 1 comma 1. After that, what is going to happen? This condition will be checked, and after this condition check is done, what we are going to do? We will check whether object tab of object capacity is equal to tab of object minus 1 capacity. So here object is equal to 1 and capacity equal to 1. So this is the same we are right now. So we will check whether this value is equal to this value or not. So as you can see here, this is 0 and this is 80. So value are not equal. So we will come into this particular else block. So in else block, what we are going to do? We will print these particular things as we have considering this particular object. So we will print 1 comma 18, and after that, what is going to happen? We will make a function called to PS of object minus 1. Object is 1, so 0 comma capacity minus weight of the object. And what is capacity? 1, and what is weight of the object? 1. So we will make a function called to PS of 0 comma 0, and when PS of 0 comma 0 will come for its own execution, this condition will be true, and we will print that's all. This is what you can take. So this is how we are going to print the solution for 01 knapsack problem. And friends, if you have liked this video, then please like, share and subscribe, and thanks a lot for watching.